Jai Gurudev children, today we are going to start first chapter from the Hive, that is the fun they had. This chapter you have read in class 7th I think. So this is a same chapter but the characters are different. The names of the character are changed. So let's start. Let me tell you something about what this chapter about. In this chapter, the author tries to tell us about the classrooms and schools of the future. They will be generally automated with robotic or mechanical teachers. The story describes the feelings of two students about the schools of the past. They loved the schools of the past and wanted to be a part of that. They rejoice at the feeling of being taught by a human teacher. They anticipate the fun of being together with other children of their age. Talking about the characters, there are 4 characters: Margie, Tommy, Margie's mother, and County Inspector. Margie is a girl of 11 years who wished to be a part of the schools of the past. Tommy is a boy of 13 years who lives close to Margie. Margie's mother is a lady who was very disciplined and was careful about the hours of study of her daughter. County Inspector is a round little man with a red face who comes to repair the mechanical teacher of Margie. Margie, let me tell you once again, Margie and Tommy are teenagers. Okay? Margie's mother is there and one county inspector who repair the computer. In the chapter somewhere she finds some problem. Now summary of the chapter. The present story is set in the future when children don't have traditional books and schools. Margie, a little girl in the story, makes a diary entry. Tommy found a real book. It reveals a date 17th May 2157, showing that the story is set much into the future. Now it is 2021 and the date mentioned is 2157. It's very much far in the future. The book was a very old one, just like the one that her grandfather had in his time as a student. Its pages were yellow and she found it funny to read the words that were not moving like that on a computer screen. When Tommy had the book in his hand, he called it a waste because after one time reading, it would be thrown away. The same feeling was with Margie too. Tommy found that book in the attic of his house and that book was about a school. Why? Because she hated school. Margie hated her school and her mechanical teacher a lot. Her teacher was not a living being. He was an image that flashes on her screen in her study room. He gave her test after test in geography and she was not doing well. Her failure in geography had invited an inspector who tried to trace out the problem. So, her mother had asked the county inspector to come and find what was wrong. The county inspector was a round little man with a red face. Margie had thought that he would take her mechanical teacher away completely, but it was not so. The inspector set the teacher right within an hour and so. He told her mother that nothing was wrong with the girl, rather the screen was too fast for the girl and therefore Margie was having troubles. Now it had been slowed down so that she would be okay with its level. On reading that book, Tommy had a discussion about the school with Margie. The old kind of schools were a building common to all and with human teachers who would teach all the boys and girls the same thing if they were of the same age. He gave them tests as well as homework. Margie wanted to know more about those kinds of fun in schools, but it was time for her to go to her school. Which school? Mechanical school. It was time for Tommy too for his school, and both of them decided to read the book later. Margie's schoolroom was next to her bedroom, where the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for Margie. Her school was open every day except Saturday and Sunday. Margie's mother believed that girls learn better if they do it regularly. The mechanical teacher, which one? The screen lit up and started, was going to teach lesson on arithmetic. It was about the addition of proper fractions. Margie had no interest in it. Margie had to put yesterday's homework in the proper slot too. The mechanical teacher never forgot to ask for the homework. Margie was sitting in front of her mechanical teacher, but she was thinking of the good old days when the kids had a common time and place to study. She was also thinking of the human teacher that used to teach them. She was thinking of the fun they had at the school.